Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy August. How is it August? I don't even know. I thought today would be a great opportunity for me to not only share my July favorites, but like the actual items I've been using every single day. So this right here is my everyday work makeup look. In all honesty, I actually skip the brows usually when I go to work. But this here is like my 7 minutes go-to work makeup look, and I use products every single day this past month. I really didn't switch that much, so I thought that is my July favorites, literally. So this whole makeup look is actually going to be on my IGTV. I will link it down below for you guys so you guys can go and check it out if you're interested. It's super quick. I kid not. It takes me 7 minutes every single morning, and it's very comfortable, lightweight, relaxed, still put together, but nothing too much. So anyways, guys, if you want to hear about all these products and then 2 other little skincare products, then just keep on watching. So starting off the favorites with skincare, I've been using the same moisturizers and stuff like that, but there's 2 products that I've recently started incorporating. One of them like every single day and one of them 2 to 3 times a week. So every single day I've been removing my makeup with this. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Gel. So very similar to a cleansing water, very similar to its cleansing water. But it's a gel, so you kind of apply it directly onto the face, so there's no cotton swab, which is what really gravitated me towards this product. I actually do have a full review on it, comparing it to the actual micellar water, so I'll link that down below for you guys and up here so you can check that out. It's a little bit more in depth and I do a demo, but basically this, what really gravitated me towards is that it gets your makeup off right away. It doesn't burn my eyes, and then there's no cotton swabs because I hate using up so many cotton swabs. I don't know what it is about them, but I hate using like 3, 4, 5 every single time I have to take off my makeup. This one you just apply directly, which I really like. The second thing I've been using, not just on my face, but also on my back. So I'm gonna get really real right now. This is like one of my biggest, if not my biggest insecurity, is that I get cystic acne on my back, and I get, you know, probably 2 a month, but they stay for a while. And when I say that, I mean that you can't pop them. It's not like a regular blemish. It's like a bump and you can't pop them, and they scar because I scratch them. It's really bad. So I've been like really researching different things to do. I've been trying since I was a teenager to really combat this issue. I've never ever talked about it here on my channel, but I figured why not, because I'm really trying to get to the bottom of it. So I've been trying out this product here. This is just the handle. It looks so weird. This is just the handle. This is from Duval. It's actually their Radiant Spin Care System. So it comes with a bunch of different compartments. I do have a full IGTV video on it, but there's one compartment in specific that I love, and it's this massive one here, and it's for the body. So I've been using this on my back. I would say I've been using it 2 to 3 times a week. I don't want to do it every single day because it can be a little bit harsh on my skin. So I've been using it 2 to 3 times a week. I try and always use it on the days that I work out and sweat a lot, because I've been reading online that that's another like big indicator is from sweat, your sports bras, conditioner in your hair. If you leave it on your back, that could be a problem. So I've been really trying to use this guy here on my back with whatever cleanser I'm using on my face, really, and trying to make sure that I give the extra attention to that area. It's really just the top half of my back, like my shoulder blades. So anyways, guys, I will keep you guys updated. This again is like one of my biggest insecurities, but it's real life here on my channel apparently. So this product has actually been helping a lot. I've been using it all month. I think I've been using it for about a month and a half, and I find it's really been helping with the scarring. So I'm gonna keep using it and keep you guys posted. This set actually does come with other attachments as well. So there's one for the face, and I have been using the face one as well. I gotta say, I'm not as concentrated on it. So I started using it when I was having a lot of bad breakouts, and now that my skin's kind of cleared up, I'm like, I don't need to use it. Not saying that's right, just saying that's what I've been doing. And then it does have an exfoliator and a scrubber as well, which is great. But I've only really been using the body and face one, and I've really been liking them. I think that they do make a huge difference, and I'm super excited to see if this does finally do the trick on getting rid of my back knee. Anyways, now not talking about my biggest insecurity, moving on to the face. So all these products I did demo in this kind of tutorial on my Instagram, so let me know if you have any questions on them, but I've been totally obsessed with them, and most of these have been featured, if not once, many times on my channel. They're kind of like holy grail favorites in the summertime, and if they haven't been featured, they've been recently reviewed and they've become kind of like favorites. So the first thing that I started off with was this BB cream. This is from Vichy. This is the Idealia. I can't say it right. Even in my review, I did a full review on this product and I couldn't say it the whole time, but this is what it looks like. It actually looks a little bit different online, but I'll link it down below for you guys. I love this BB cream. It is amazing. It gives just a right amount of coverage without being too heavy at all, and it lasts. Like, it stays on my face all day long. I'm a little bit more on the oily side, and I have no problems with this staying on my face at the office. I also wear this when I'm running errands on the weekend. It's just the perfect amount of coverage when you want a little something and just even out the skin tone. I love it. I've been using the medium shade and I'm really happy with it, but it does have SPF 25. It's just the whole package when you need a BB cream. This is legit my favorite one. It's so good. For concealer, so for everyday office wear, I will go with this concealer because it's heavy duty. Like, this is definitely, if you need a full coverage concealer, I highly recommend this. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Again, I do have a full review on this guy. This is a new product in my life, but I have been using it every single day this past month. Since I reviewed it, it's been my go-to product. It's better than the Shape Tape one from Tarte. It is the best full coverage concealer I've ever seen. I just put like a little bit under the eyes and a dot on the center of the forehead, and I blend it out, but I blend it out all over my face to kind of give a little bit extra coverage for everyday like office wear. It's amazing. Not only does it give full coverage, but it's not heavy. So that's what I really love about it, because I don't like those concealers that are like thick. This one's still very creamy, very lightweight, but dang, the coverage is so good. I use the shade Cashew. This one is like my skin tone perfectly. The other one that I've been using is Cashmere. You'll sometimes see like a little bit of a lighter shade, and that's this one here, Cashmere. I only use this one when I'm doing a full face of makeup, like on the weekends, going out and stuff like that. I don't do highlighting on an everyday basis. I kind of just go with the regular shade just to conceal those dark circles and blemishes if I have them. But this is legit my new all-time favorite concealer, and it's drugstore, which is awesome. To set the face, I haven't been using anything too heavy. Sometimes with BB creams in the winter time, I'll use like a powder foundation to set, but this time of year I don't even bother with that. I just go in with a nice translucent powder. This one here does have a little bit of coverage, but it's very lightweight. Like, it's not gonna give you anything really. It's just gonna set everything and mattify everything, which I really like. So this is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. I've been using this for such a long time, years and years. It's super, super affordable. I think it's $5 at Walmart, and I've been using the shade Warm Beige and really liking it. I basically go underneath the eyes and then all over the face, and I'm good to go all day long. Like, it's wonderful. This is also a really great powder to keep in your purse if you're super oily and needing to kind of blot during the day with this. Is a good one to have. And the reason for that is that it doesn't get cakey. It doesn't look bad on top of other products or reapplying it. It doesn't get cakey or anything like that. I'll be honest, on an everyday like office wear basis, I typically do skip bronzer and highlight and just do a little blush. But for the purpose of the video, I wanted it to be a little bit more complete in case you did want that kind of whole package. So for bronzer all month, I've been really liking this guy. This is like a deluxe sample. I don't even have the real like full size one because this is perfect. This is from Too Faced. It is the Sun Bunny bronzer. It's really nice because it has like a duo shade combination, and it also gives a little bit of shimmer to it, which is really nice because in the summer months you want to look like you're glowing from within, nice and healthy, like you were just at the beach. So this bronzer definitely gives that to you. It's a really nice shade. It's not too much, and I just kind of apply it loosely. I don't contour or anything like that, and it looks stunning. And it also blends really well with my other products. So for blush, I've been loving this guy here. I've been a huge fan of this collection. I don't see it at every single drugstore. I've only seen it at a few, but it is available online. So this is the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush in Fantastical. This shade I used to neglect because I thought it was too bright. Like, it's kind of a more intense shade, but it really doesn't apply too heavy. As you can see, it really blends nicely into your bronzer, and it's nothing too much. And it does have a subtle hint of like shimmer to it, which is exactly why I typically skip highlight on an everyday basis. But I had to mention this guy because it's a new, like, I loved it last year and then I kind of rediscovered it again. This is the Pixie highlight. It is called Glow E. Just Glow with a Y. It's a duo highlight as well, 2 shades, and I absolutely love it. I really love the gold shade. It's perfect in the summer months. It looks really good, and I like to use it on my shoulders as well. It just sinks into the skin so beautifully. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm gonna skip mascara because I currently don't have like an all-time favorite right now. I've just been using various mascaras that I like, but not any that are like a super big favorite. So I'll keep you guys posted on that front though. But for my lip combo, I have been loving this. This is like, you know, an all-time favorite lip pencil from MAC Cosmetics, Soar. But I've also been really liking this lipstick. It's a little bit more on the pricey side. It's from Givenchy, so I know that's a little bougie, definitely a splurge, but I love it. It's so hydrating. It feels really good on the lips. This is the Perfect Pink shade. It's basically just like a glossy pink balm, and it's nothing too much on the lips, and it's not heavy, and it's very easy to apply because it's such a low amount of color. So that's why I really like pairing it with that lip liner. I've been talking a mile a minute, but anyways guys, that actually does wrap up my July beauty favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely be sure to check out the tutorial on this look on my IG. I will link it down below, but thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and of course, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.